Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up multiple user account on a phone. So in this, I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to set up multiple user account on a phone. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your setting application on mobile device. So after opening that, make sure that multiple user option will be available on your device. But if it will be not available, so I made one video on that, you can go and check it how to do. So now you can see here multiple user option is there, tab on this. Yeah, now it's asking for allow multiple user option, so you have to tap on this. Yeah, now you can see here three options are there. One is for the owner, one is for guest mode, and one is for the add user. So from which you want to, you have to select anyone. So in this way you can add the multiple user account on your device. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.